Yassi, Prasant and Ben from Paya Lebar Air Base. They'll be working on a patient today called Praveen.
Ben, but don't have towel to wipe hand out.
Crashed his scooter. I've got my whole leg bandaged up, so we'll be changing that today now. Welcome to, I don't know what day is it already.
Fucking hell.
I think it's day 4 or day 5. We're supposed to go hike up the summit Langsha viewpoint, but no one woke up at 3 AM. Only Billy woke up. I saw in the text telegram chat. Wilson also never wake up. Prasan says somebody beat him up in his sleep, so he couldn't wake up. So
What?
Ben just continued sleeping lah.
I slept when people wake up.
So we are to the last 3, heading out to breakfast. Rest of them all head up for breakfast already. I think the 8 finished already, so we're not gonna go to the same place as them. We're just gonna go somewhere nearby so we can just faster eat and get back to our Airbnb lor. Yeah, hopefully maybe tomorrow you can hike up to the summit Langsha viewpoint. If not, I don't think there's any more chances already. Yeah. Huh? Going Illusion tonight? No, I don't think I'm going clubbing already.
Yeah, after that we go straight out. You go straight, legit.
What the fuck? No sleep.
You're going straight.
You're crazy, man.
Let's 7 o'clock come back sleep.
7? Yeah, good idea. Okay lah, so we'll make a move and then I'll probably vlog at a place we're heading to. See y'all. $9969. It's lah. They tell them that for some that you also have 9969. Tell them you also have a 9969 number plate.
Later I bring her.
Hey, later bring on. Okay, come on, sit down. Okay, my food has just arrived. Person started eating already. Ben's still using phone. I don't know what he's doing.
Busy.
He's a busy man. Okay, we're gonna dig in and yep. See y'all back at the Airbnb or something. Bye bye.
Don't bring her.
Time is 2:30. After having our brunch, we came to the Airbnb and we were just chilling in the Airbnb. There was a passing cloud just now, so there's a bit of delay of us going to collect Prasan's bike at Prasut Big Bike. Yeah, okay, the sun is out, so I think should be a short passing cloud. Hopefully we're not riding into the direction of the cloud. So yeah, I'll be bringing my booze up finally, because I need some power to Tompang Prasan's ABS.
Tompang you on the
Yeah, collect Prasan's Super 4 at Prasut Big Bike lah. Hopefully everything's fine. And Wilson's tagging along because he wants to get some balaclava. Yeah. So I'll see you at Prasut Big Bike then. Ciao.
He's playing pool, we all know that he's a fool. Oh yeah, shorty beautiful, and she said you're 22. Sorry, I'm looking at you. ผมแก่แล้วผมก็ได้แค่เดียวไม่มีวันจบมันไม่มีวันเข็ดมันต้องพาได้มาไปเที่ยวงานวันเด็กนะไอ้ดันยัดผมก็ยังไม่ทันเสร็จมันต้องพาได้มาไปเที่ยวงานวันเด็ก I hate this party. ผมแก่แล้วก็ไม่มีปราณีขอแค่ใครสักคนโปรดช่วยมา
We made payment already. Wilson bought a balaclava and headliners. I didn't realize Prasan bike was here. Wait, was he here just now?
Yeah, bro.
How's everything?
What is this? Rain lah. Confirm ah? Okay, can.
You touch, you feel oily?
If it is rainwater, shouldn't it evaporate already?
Maybe they just brought it out.
Can I just...
Wilson, you're gonna get left behind later when you're riding back. Hey, we're riding to Patong, sorry.
Where are we going ah? The Busan discriminate me leh. Don't let me park just now.
Hello, my bike big lah.
There, see size already. Bye.
Yeah. Big bikes need more space to park. Small bike can park anywhere lah. Okay. We'll be going to Patong Beach now. I want to take a picture of the Patong sign lah.
You got take for Andre, right?
So we just reached Patong Beach, the sign, and then we're gonna take some photos. Yeah, and then we're gonna move because it's gonna rain. Looking at the clouds, it's damn dark. So yeah, hopefully we take some photos and pass a chow. There's a After You cafe, dessert cafe nearby. So yeah, I wanna go and eat over there, then maybe see what's the plan for later. They say they wanna go to some beach club, Kongo and the rest. But I'm not gonna bring my bike there. How Busan? Let's go. Okay, that's what's coming. Let's go for them. And make a move to the dessert cafe then.
ฉันจะไม่บอกใครมาทุ่มมาก่อนเธอจะออกไปมาทุ่มมาฉันจะไม่บอกใครมาทุ่มมาก่อนเธอจะออกไปมันคงคุ้มดีคิดว่ามันคงคุ้มดีเข้ามาทุกทีคิสมีเข้ามาทุกทีเหมือนพาไดมอนด์มาเที่ยวงานวันเด็กเธอยังเด็กคนสวยชอดี้ I'm done yeah เธออย่าพูดกับฉันบ่อยถ้าไม่คอยเจออย่าพูดกับฉันบ่อยเลยมันไม่คอยเจอ I am gonna hold your hand วันนี้เป็น Christmas plan I am gonna do that shit cause bitch I ain't your man.
Okay, right guys, we just came back from where was it? Yeah, after You cafe. It was raining, so we walked around in the mall for a while. Then we took our bikes and we headed back. And I think we are planning to go to the club, but I think the DJ is not that great, so I'm not sure if you will go. But yeah, I think probably I'll end the vlog for today here. Yep, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog. Hopefully we all wake up early. If not, it's gonna be a short video as well. Alright, thank you guys for staying tuned. Bye bye. Preparations by CFC Prashant and Ben from Paya Lebar Air Base. They'll be working on a patient today called Praveen.
Ben but don't have towel to wipe hand out.
Who crashed his scooter. I've got my whole leg bandaged up, so we'll be changing that today now. Yeah, I'll probably end the vlog for this trip over here. Yeah, it's been a good trip so far. Nevertheless, nevertheless, it's been a good trip so far, so I'm not regretting anything other than the fact that it ended on a bad note. Yeah, I should have stopped vlogging already. Yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned to the next vlogs.